one of the coolest bits of game design and one of the coolest mechanics I've ever seen in an RPG is the death saves from the Mothership RPG. Basically, if your player gets downed, they're unconscious, or are they? They might be dead. There's a great chance they might be, but we won't know until we go and inspect them. So what the player does is they roll a death save under a cup, an opaque cup, and the result is unknown to all, even the GM. Only when a player goes to the body and inspects them will they know, Jim survived. I think we can use this in more games. I understand some games aren't as punitive as some more horror-based games. Maybe the odds of dying can be lower. Maybe the worst result there is just some more permanent disfigurement, whatever level of brutality you want. But this mechanic of, in the midst of combat, someone's fallen, and we're going to roll with what happened to them, and it's under a cup, and I can have my own table for my game. I can invent my own and go, players, these are the odds. How cool is that? Players have to fight on. And only at the end, or maybe the party split up and someone's been downed in that corridor and alien attacked them. Only, and it's okay if that's been hours. We don't know the result. They have survived all that time until someone finds them and looks at the body, and then we reveal the cup. We look at the dice roll from earlier. The tension it builds in a game is phenomenal. I can't think of many systems where that wouldn't be cool to do if we just balance the severity of the consequences, but we can see what's a good fit for our group, as long as we're consistent and we have our own table for that, fitting the setting, the rule system, the feel of the game that we want. Brilliant game design. I wholeheartedly recommend Mothership. Even if you don't like space RPGs, even if you don't like horror RPGs, it has a phenomenal GM section that I think all aspiring GMs should read. I'll do a vid in the future about great GM sections, but the little Game Master book of Mothership has a lot of great insights, and this specifically these death saves are a testament to really fantastic game design. Go check it out.